Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour With AI. Regulatory clarity is fracturing in the digital asset space as SEC Commissioner Peirce warns that on-chain vaults and lending protocols may legally qualify as investment companies. This stance triggers immediate registration requirements for decentralized finance builders, signaling a harsher enforcement era for unregistered DeFi structures. Meanwhile, leverage dynamics within corporate Bitcoin treasuries are coming under scrutiny. Strategy's latest metrics reveal a net reserve of $36 billion for shareholders, a significant contraction from $58 billion in gross holdings. Annual debt servicing costs now hit $1.8 billion, amplifying exposure with a leverage ratio of 1.53x. This highlights the fragility of highly leveraged crypto accumulation strategies in volatile markets. In traditional healthcare, Community Health Systems has slashed its 2026 adjusted EBITDA outlook to a range of $1.3 billion to $1.375 billion. The provider cites softer elective surgery volumes and rising uninsured patient loads as primary headwinds, reflecting broader pressures on rural hospital margins. Shifting to industrial metals, Galway Metals has initiated 5,000-meter drilling at the Estrades project in Quebec. This execution marks the start of Phase 1 under its joint venture with DOWA Metals and Mining, aiming to validate resource estimates in a key jurisdiction. On the semiconductor front, the competition for data center dominance is intensifying. AMD and Nvidia are expanding their server CPU push, directly challenging established incumbents. This strategic move addresses the shifting demand landscape as GPU workloads evolve and hyperscalers seek diversified silicon solutions for next-generation infrastructure. Looking ahead to today's release, the economic calendar remains relatively quiet with no major high-impact data points scheduled in the next 36 hours. Traders are likely to focus on technical levels and regulatory developments rather than macro surprises. The absence of key indicators such as US CPI or Fed speeches allows market participants to digest the regulatory and corporate guidance news without immediate macro interference. However, the implications of Peirce's comments could ripple through crypto markets, potentially dampening sentiment for DeFi tokens. Similarly, Community Health Systems guidance cut may weigh on the broader healthcare sector, particularly for companies with similar patient demographic profiles. Investors should monitor Galway Metals drilling results closely, as positive outcomes could attract interest in junior mining plays. The AMD-Nvidia rivalry also suggests continued innovation in server architecture, which may benefit supply chain partners. As the market navigates these diverse themes, the lack of macro data means price action will be driven by fundamental corporate and regulatory news. Keep a close watch on SEC filings and corporate earnings reports for further direction. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour With AI for daily market intelligence.